Republic of Poland. We have got the bill, and the bill takes us to Żary, and there we change trains to Legnica, and then we go to Krakow.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, this is me from post-production, and I wanted to inform you that this trip was being made in 2021 in summer, so before the war, which is also the reason why we might make some comments about similarities to Russia or something else, which nowadays of course have a different connotation, so excuse that. And also, yeah, you might ask why this video is coming out now if it's been made, if the trip was being made in 2021. Due to stress, university and other stuff, my inability to cut, you will also see that this is not the best edited vlog, but you know, everyone needs to have a beginning of something, so I'm still learning. Excuse that as well. Other than that, have a great time. See ya. Welcome to our trip to Ukraine.
And then we go to Ukraine.
Yes, we go to Ukraine, which is actually like 90% of our whole travel. We're actually right now in the most beautiful train of Poland.
In the most beautiful landscape.
Yes. We haven't seen the village or a town for like 10 minutes, but I guess that's traveling train. Yeah, and we will go to Ukraine to, what we're gonna do there? Like drink alcohol and
take cocaine.
Get some cocaine.
Do some cocaine. Business as usual.
Business as usual. Yeah, we're trying to get to know the Ukrainian culture and in general how it's like to live there, I guess.
Yeah.
So let's go. So we had a crash here with the train.
Half an hour later.
There was some kind of problem with the rail intersection, and it was like boom, and now we're waiting. So we made it to Żary International.
Kind of on time.
This is the train station, and there's our train. We're going for 90 kilometers, 1.5 hours. We're now in a train to Legnica, and actually the heater works. Down there is the heater, and for some reason it's like 30 degrees in here, even though
It's cozy.
And as you can see, we also have limited space. So we have like the most fun in the next 90 minutes. So we bought some tickets, and we thought that the train was earlier, but these are the arrivals, so we need to wait now
1 hour. A good
1 hour and 15 minutes. We have a little problem on our train to Krakow. There aren't any seats available for us. So we need to sit at the doors and maybe stand for like 4.5 hours. So yeah, let's see what happens there.
So this is our apartment. It's small but quite nice. We have a bed, we have some kind of working place here. We have a kitchen with a fridge. Christian is looking for food. And this is the bathroom. Toilet, shower, and a sink. We're now gonna eat. Then we're gonna eat more. And yeah. We found where to eat. We're at Okochi, I guess. If that's not a beer.
I think this is a beer.
Yes, we have a Polish traditional soup, which is żurek. It's made of like kiełbasas, which are like sausages, and bacon and all these nice meaty stuffs. And after like 6 hours, or something, more than 6, let's say 7 or 8 hours, we finally have a dish. So enjoy. And here you can see pierogi. This is let's say the most Polish and the most touristy dish you can find. Of course there are many others like rosół, żurek and bigos, but pierogi is probably the most popular among tourists. And the best pierogi, in my opinion, and also in his opinion, are pierogi ruskie, which means with cheese and smashed potatoes. So we met René, which is a friend of mine from university, and he studies in Krakow, which is quite funny because we are in Krakow, right?
No!
We're now drinking cytrynówka. René told us that everyone does this here. And it's alcohol. This is the cytrynówka.
Cytrynówkę. Na zdrowie.
Na zdrowie. It actually tastes like lemonade.
Yeah.
Alcohol lemonade.
Yeah.
Alcohol lemon Fanta lemonade. I like trains.